This is Dan, and this is me, Alex. We're both taking part of CRE8ORS, where GoPro is flying 8 teams to different cities in Europe and giving them 5 days to create content. We flew to Oslo. However, it didn't feel like it should be our final destination. We decided to travel another 800 miles further north to create the most unique content in one of the most remote parts of Norway. Only problem, we had to be back in Innsbruck in less than 4 days. After 12 hours of traveling, we finally made it to Lofoten. It's cold, it's dark, it's raining. I think that's the worst idea ever, man.
Who took the bomb?
Dude,
Just trying how the new GoPro works on FPV drone.
gonna be crazy. The drone is over there.
Challenge of the day: take a selfie with a cow. I have a flower for you. Yes, bro! All the way up.
Wow, isn't that beautiful?
Welcome to Oktoberfest! Alright guys, so we had to hurry up. We are now on our way to Austria. We have 24 hours left, so let's see what else we can do. Great. Man, I'm so excited to go skiing now. Thanks for watching, everyone.
The winner of the best journey edit is